Oh God, this is a nightmare!
I can't feel my legs!
Help us!
We need immediate assistance!
Somebody help!
This is Dr. Smith at the hospital.
We are flooding, I repeat, we are flooding! We need immediate rescue assistance!
We are cut off, the hospital is flooding. We need immediate evacuation.
Understood. Sending in the SAR team now. Mobilize the evacuation unit.
I need that transport now. Negative, we can't wait. Team, mobilize! Alpha Sector, move immediately!
Let's go, move it! Get in the vehicles!
Ready on my mark. Copy that. Rolling out.
All right, let's go! Watch your step getting in the boat!
Oh, thank heavens you're here! Hurry! We need to move!
Hold on tight, everyone! We're almost clear of the danger zone!
Start the pumps now! We need to clear this area fast!
The water levels are dropping. Begin cleanup of the left flank.
The main entrance is almost clear. Keep the pressure high, watch out for debris.
Sector 4 is clear. Copy that. Moving in the heavy equipment now. Watch your spacing.
All right, crew, let's get started. Helmets on, eyes open.
Moving the excavator to Sector 2.
Clear that debris on the left. Fire hose is active, watch the spray.
All right, bringing it up, watch the beams on the left. Okay, hold it steady right there. Clear to lower.
Bring it down easy now.
Little to the left, hold it there.
All right, set it down, clear the straps.
All right, bring it down slowly, watch the alignment on the left. Hold it steady right there, looks good.